Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn further application development. So now in this video what we are going to do, we will work on carousel slider, I mean image slider. As you see right now on the mobile screen here, this is a user, SAG is a user, and SAG user has uploaded 5 images, but here only one image displaying. So we need to display other 4 images on our image slider screen with other details like contact details, user location, and user description of this product. So to display all other 4 images, we have to create one slider or carousel screen. So for that, what we have to do, let's close this first. And as you see here, this is a gesture detector. Here it is showing first images, which is this one. This is the first image, but we need to display other images also, which this user has uploaded. So here what we have to do, actually, as you see here, this is the on double tap. When user will double tap on this image, so we have to send user on carousel slider. So for that we have to create one file. Come here, lib, right click on lib, new dot file, and write here carousel screen slider and enter. And here import material dot stateful visit, give name carousel slider, and here carousel slider, this is the, and close this now. So now first of all, here inside this on double tap gesture directed, and here where we are passing image one, this one, this is the piece of code where we are passing all other data for image slider. So here let's create a root, new root equals to material page root, and remove this builder and put underscore like this. And here we have to pass this which we have created right now, carousel slider display, because we are sending user on double tap there. So here we are passing carousel slider, this one, and put semicolon. Now inside this class here after this, inside this see carefully, this is the open brackets here, round brackets. Inside this brackets here we have to pass title, and title will be products dot doc I dot get, and here we have to pass products model, which is here, you see here, this is products model, this one. Copy this, come to the here and just paste it here like the comma, after this comma, and here we have to product color, products color will be products dot doc I dot get, and here we have to pass product color, which is this one. Copy and here pass it. Now after this, user number will be products dot doc I dot get, and here we will pass user number and put comma. Now here write like this, user number, and after this we have description, and here just simply copy this for saving time. Copy this, we will paste it, like copy and paste it here instead of written again. Right here description. After this we have let and paste this, and after this right here let and lang, paste it. We have here lang, latitude, longitude, and we have address, and here inside this we have to pass address. And guys, all these data from Firebase, these are the name in Firebase, mesh there like this. And after this, now here we will give our images URL image1 and like this, and here write URL image1, and now copy paste this for saving time. Copy and paste 4 times I mean, and change the numbering here to image2 and image3, image4, image5, image3, image4, image5. Now as you see here, this is doc is showing error, docs error. Click on it, add null check for all. Make sure add null check all before this docs like this, after this product here. And as you can see here guys, these are the errors here. Don't worry, it will remove when we will work on carousel. This one, when we will work on this screen, it will automatically will remove all this. Don't worry about these errors. And after this here, after this carousel, so we write here navigator dot push replacement new route and put semicolon like this. So here what we did here, actually when user will double tap on this image, first image, I mean on this image, when user will click on double tap on it, so we are displaying all other images with address and latitude and description, user number, phone number, everything. So we will work on this in another video, next video I mean. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.